Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 22B Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, STD, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, Delmonico red pearl coat and wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important